it's me once again, Jocelyn Vlogs. Today guys, I'm going to share you Bulalo, we call it in Philippines. Okay guys, this is a kind of mixed vegetable made in one dish. Okay guys, so I show you radish, corn, cabbage, peppercorn, and this is the fish maw, okay, and pork balls. Now I'm boiling the water. It's boiling to blanch the pork balls, and after blanch, put here with the ginger and water to boil 1 hour, and I will show you later on all the ingredients, how to put in all in one. Okay guys, now it's boiling. We have to blanch it guys. Okay, blanch it pork bones at least 10 minutes guys. Okay guys, at least 10 minutes. Okay, you have to blanch it the pork at least 10 minutes. Okay guys, 10 minutes. Boiling to blanch it. Put my corn already inside, and also putting the dish. Then boil for another 1 hour guys. Okay, because now it's already 1 hour boiling the pork balls. Now all this. Later on, put the fish maw and cabbage. This is the fish maw and cabbage ready. Okay, later on I will put, okay, after 1 hour boiling, the corn and radish guys. Okay guys, put my corn already inside, and also putting the dish. Guys. Then boil for another 1 hour, guys. Okay, because now it's already 1 hour boiling the pork balls. Now all this. Later on, put the fish maw and cabbage. I'm going to put the fish maw. Okay, I'm going to put the fish maw. Wait, the fish maw to cook also. Let it boil and then cover. Cook at least 40 minutes. 40 minutes the fish mouse. Okay, so all in all, 1 hour bones, and then after 1 hour the bones, put the corn and radish. Then after 40 minutes, put the fish mouse. So another 40 minutes, guys. Okay, guys. Finally, I'm going to put the cabbage. Okay, guys, cabbage. Need to put the cabbage, so you can see. Okay, guys, put the cabbage. Let boil the cabbage. Let's stand for at least 10 minutes the cabbage, guys, before it's really done our bulalo all-in-one-DG. Oh, nice, my bulalo. See, almost ready. See you guys. I will show you later on after I remove it. Okay, guys, I hope you like my bulalo, own version bulalo.